Well, hi guys. It's Friday afternoon, about 3:30, and as you can see, it's raining. We've got about a half inch so far, and a lot more on the way, from what they say. So, don't look like I'm going to get to do anything anytime soon. As long as it's raining, and nothing I can do at the moment, but I'll figure something out. Um, the picker is pretty well ready to go. I've got a couple of belts ordered this morning for it. Um, there's a reason. It's there's just a reason. So I'll add this on to the end of the other one. So we'll see you next time, guys. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Just when it gets about dry enough to do something, here comes the rain again. See you next time, guys. That's something you don't normally see this time of year. But it was down in the 40s last night. The sun's come out. And we've had 2.5 inches of rain or better overnight. More rain on the way. Quite unusual. But seeing this pretty much tells me that we're going to get a good one yet today. Again. We'll be back here in a bit, guys. Yeah, it's Saturday morning, and sure put a damper on my plans. Be back. Well, hi guys. Working on the picker today. Got some new belts that I hope will fit. At least that's the plan. Oh. And voila! That'll work. Now, just got to adjust it. Not everybody's cup of tea, I know. but this is just one of those, can't do much else today. Oh, might as well do something constructive and get this fixed. One down. Now for the second one. Is a wee bit short. So it'll have to go back. Darn it. I was hoping this was the right one. Well. Well. At least one of them's right. She may not be perfect, but doesn't have to be perfect to work. Just needs to work, that's all. This was something that I bought that I'd always wanted one of these. Oliver pickers. This one being a moline and being two-row narrow, that's highly unusual. You just don't find them like this. So I had to have it. Of course, the year after I bought it, I went to narrow row, or 20-inch row, so I never got to use this thing. So, oh well. But it might be getting used here before too long. At any rate, guys, we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Guess I'll go down now and see if I can get another belt. So we'll see you next time, guys. Well, hi, guys. We're back. Went and got another belt. See if this one works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Where is that supposed to go under? That there is a very good question. Yeah. Well, that would help. That would make a difference. Gotta change the location of the spring. That's minor stuff. So, I guess we'll call this good and put the spring on like it's supposed to be. So, oops, sorry. Whoops. So we're going to get out of here, guys. I've kind of got what I wanted done today. We're supposed to get rain this afternoon, and it is really starting to look like rain. So, pretty sure I'm about done for the day already. So we'll see you next time, guys. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Next time you see it, it'll be basically ready to go to the field. So we'll see you next time, guys. Well, it's the end of the day for me. It's getting real hot and sticky, and kind of as you can see, it's getting darker, especially that way, and that's the way it's coming from. So I'm going to call it a day now. Go home and get some other things done. I don't remember if you've seen this or not, but this box was kind of really mangulated right here. So I've straightened it up somewhat. Got it to where it's usable again. The belt is on. I moved the spring. That belt is on. So basically, all I really need to do, fire the tractor up, see what I got to deal with. Those lovely carpenter bees are everywhere. Is fire it up and engage the chain and get it rolling over and lubed up. Get in here and grease. It needs a good greasing, basically, but that's kind of minor. But I don't think it's going to take too much more, and it'll be ready to go. So, like I say, give it a good greasing. Go oil everything back up. May make a block of wood to go here, so that's not slapping. And I may make a couple more wiggle wires. All it is to go like this across that to knock any loose corn out into the through the screen to take it back. That's all it's for. And it needs a good going over and greasing. And I may bend me a strip of metal to go here, down, and under here to replace this where it's broke. And I don't know. May make a couple of new rubber pieces for that. I don't know yet. But all in all, I think she's ready to go to work. Give it a good greasing and she'll be ready to go. Not something you see every day. Moline 2-row narrow picker. Wide rows you see more of, but I've only seen this one and one other narrow row one, so kind of a rarity. So we'll see you next time, guys. I'm going to get out of here before it starts raining. So we'll see you next time. And as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe. I think the next time you see it, everything will be done and back together, and I'll have it sitting here running. So we'll see you next time, guys.